I recorded a little tiny thingy today. It's the star of the show. Hi. Hi. So to get this shot, I am using the A7S Mark III with the Helios 44-2. The 44-3, and it's giving us some beautiful flares from the sun. Then to enhance the flare, I'm using the Aputure MC set to a daylight color balance just to give it some extra interest. I'm sitting right here, which used to be under the right light. I really adore the look of this light. Oh, hello. You wanna go inside? There you go. Bye-bye. The light moved on us pretty quickly, so we got what we got. I got 2 different takes, and the first take, we didn't have any of the production design, but I thought, you know, that'd actually be a really good idea. Thank you, Dad Bob, for the nice suggestion. So we got a flower, an alarm clock, some empty coffee mug, and then just 2 small things, just to add a little bit of interest here. This is lighting my face, the sun is lighting another part of my face, and then the sun casting light onto the wall over here is also casting light back onto me. And that's about it. Also, I really wasn't trying anything in drawing. I was just drawing, like, I don't know, shapes, a nifty robot with antennas. That's it. Come on. You really are a photogenic cat.